Hello everyone, welcome to our special look at the upcoming winter season in France. I'm Al Roker, and today we're diving deep into what winter really looks and feels like across this beautiful country. Whether you're a local, a traveler, or just a weather enthusiast, there's something here for you. France's winter is as diverse as its landscapes. Imagine strolling through the chilly, rain-soaked streets of Paris, cozying up in a snowy chalet in the Alps, or basking in the gentle winter sun along the Mediterranean coast in Nice. Each region offers its own unique winter experience, and that's what makes France so special this time of year. In the north, you can expect cool, gray days with frequent rain showers, and, if you're lucky, the occasional magical snowfall that dusts Paris and transforms the city into a winter wonderland. The atmosphere is cozy, perfect for ducking into a cafe for a warm drink. Head east, and the temperatures drop even further. Alsace and the surrounding regions see more snow and frost, with picturesque villages that look straight out of a holiday postcard. The crisp air and frosty mornings make it ideal for winter walks and festive markets. Down south, places like Nice and the Côte d'Azur enjoy milder, sunnier winters. Here, palm trees sway in the breeze and people stroll the promenades in light jackets, making it a haven for anyone looking to escape the harsher cold. The contrast is striking and truly unique to France. The mountains are a different world altogether. The Alps and Pyrenees receive heavy snow, creating perfect conditions for skiing, snowboarding, and all kinds of winter sports. Resorts buzz with activity, and the scenery is breathtaking. These regions rely on consistent snowfall from December through March, drawing visitors from around the world. The snow here is not just beautiful, it's essential for the local economy and winter tourism. So, whether you're braving the rainy coastlines of Brittany, soaking up the sun on the Côte d'Azur, or exploring the snowy streets of Chamonix, winter in France is never dull. There's always something happening no matter where you are. But what about this winter, 2025? Are we in for a classic, familiar season, or could there be some surprises in store? The weather is always full of twists and turns. We've been studying the latest long-range models and weather data, and let's just say, this winter looks especially intriguing. There are some patterns emerging that could mean big changes for certain regions. We'll break it all down for you, region by region, so you'll know exactly what to expect, whether you're planning a ski trip, a city break, or just want to be prepared for your daily routine. So grab a hot chocolate, settle into your favorite chair, and get comfortable. We're about to take you on a journey through France's winter, exploring what makes each region unique and what you can look forward to in the coming months. From the snow-covered roads of the north to the sun-drenched landscapes of the south, there's a lot to cover and plenty of surprises along the way. Whether you love building snowmen, hitting the slopes, or simply enjoying a sunny terrace in winter, there's truly something for everyone in France this season. Let's get started and see what's in store for each region, so you can make the most of this winter, no matter where you are. Stay tuned as we explore the forecast in detail, uncovering the trends, surprises, and highlights you won't want to miss. And that's your first look at winter in France. Get ready for a season full of variety, beauty, and maybe even a few surprises along the way. Let's get right to the big story for France this winter, a season that promises to keep everyone on their toes. This year, expect a season of contrasts and surprises, with weather patterns that will challenge expectations across the country. We're not looking at a straightforward winter. Conditions will shift as the months go by, making it a dynamic and unpredictable season. Early winter, especially December and early January, will be noticeably milder and wetter than usual, with frequent rain showers and overcast skies dominating the forecast. Expect more rain than snow in low-lying areas, especially in the north and west, where puddles and slick roads will be a common sight. For many, it might feel more like an extended autumn than a classic winter, with bare trees and damp air lingering well into January. Ski resorts in the mountains may see a slower start, with less snow at first, and ski enthusiasts might have to wait a bit longer for ideal conditions. But don't get too comfortable. The real winter arrives mid-January, bringing a noticeable change in the air. Forecast models show a dramatic shift. Cold air from the north and east will sweep in, dropping temperatures sharply across the country and bringing widespread frost. This is when winter will truly make its mark, with a higher chance of widespread snow, even in places that rarely see it, like the southern coast and lower valleys. Storms could bring strong winds and disruptive weather, leading to travel delays, power outages, and challenging conditions for coastal communities. The key takeaway: be ready for change. This winter will require flexibility and preparation, as conditions could shift quickly from mild to severe. A mild December doesn't mean an easy winter. The calm start could be followed by intense cold and snow, so don't let your guard down. We'll keep you updated as the season unfolds, bringing you the latest forecasts and tips to stay safe and comfortable. Now, let's dig into the details, starting with temperatures. Stay with us as we break down what to expect in your region and how to prepare for the months ahead. Let's talk temperatures, because after all, that's what you feel every single day when you step outside, whether you're heading to work, meeting friends, or just running errands. The weather shapes our routines, our moods, and even our plans. In France, winter is a season of contrasts, and this year, it's truly a tale of two halves. The first half of winter, stretching through early January, will be noticeably warmer than average. You might find yourself leaving the heavy winter coat at home more often than usual. In Paris and the north, expect daytime highs in the upper single digits Celsius, think 7 to 9 degrees. It'll be damp and chilly, with puddles on the streets and a persistent gray sky, but not the bone-chilling cold you might expect. Down south, in cities like Nice or Marseille, you could see pleasant, almost spring-like days with temperatures in the low to mid-teens Celsius. People might even enjoy a coffee outdoors, basking in the gentle winter sun. This early warmth might delay the true winter feeling, making it easy to forget that the coldest months are still ahead. But don't get too comfortable. By mid-January, everything changes dramatically. A powerful high-pressure system over the North Atlantic will shift, opening the door for a surge of cold Arctic air sweeping in from Scandinavia and Russia. The winds will pick up, and the temperature will tumble. Temperatures will drop sharply, and this deep chill is expected to last through February, gripping the country in a true winter freeze. Even in the usually mild south, highs may struggle to get above freezing. Palm trees dusted with snow and icy car windshields will become a common sight. In the north and east, sub-zero temperatures could persist for days on end, with frosty mornings and icicles hanging from rooftops. This cold wave will be a real shock after the mild start, catching many off guard and making daily life a bit more challenging. So, enjoy the early mild weather while it lasts, but don't pack away your scarves and gloves just yet, because a real winter chill is on its way, ready to remind everyone what the season is truly about. Let's talk snow. Where and when will it fall in France this winter? Early on, significant snow will be limited to the high mountains, the Alps, and Pyrenees. Lower altitude ski resorts may rely on snowmaking in December. For most cities, December and early January will bring rain, not snow, but patience pays off. The snow story changes mid-January. As cold air moves in, the chance for widespread snow increases, even in cities like Paris and Strasbourg. February is the month to watch for major snow events, possibly disrupting travel and daily life. The mountains will see heavy snowfall, ensuring great ski conditions for the February holidays. Don't write off snow this winter. The main event is just arriving late. Be prepared for a snowy, cold February. Winter storms are part of the story too. Early in the season, expect frequent Atlantic storms in the north, rainy, windy, and sometimes causing minor disruptions. Brittany and Normandy will see their share of blustery days. As the cold sets in, storms could become more intense. When mild Atlantic air clashes with cold continental air, we could see freezing rain, sleet, and hazardous icy conditions. February may bring Mediterranean snowstorms, intense, localized, and capable of dumping heavy snow in a short time. Early winter is about rain and wind. Late winter could bring impactful snowy storms. Stay alert for changing conditions. We'll be watching closely. Why the wild swings this winter? It's all about global patterns. The polar vortex, a ring of cold air over the Arctic, starts strong, keeping Europe mild early on. A strong vortex means a straight jet stream, bringing milder Atlantic air into France. But by mid-winter the vortex may weaken or split, letting Arctic air spill south. This triggers the cold snap expected in late January and February. Climate change also plays a role. Warming trends make weather more unpredictable. Paradoxically, A warmer world can still bring bursts of extreme cold. The bottom line, global forces are driving France's two-act winter. Stay tuned as we track these patterns. Let's see how it all unfolds. With a winter of surprises ahead, preparation is key. Check your heating system and seal up drafts before the deep cold arrives. Dress in layers, base, insulating, and waterproof outer layers, plus a hat, gloves, and scarf. Watch out for icy sidewalks. Wear shoes with good grip. Prepare a winter emergency kit for home and car flashlights, batteries, blankets, food, water, and a phone charger. For your car, add an ice scraper, shovel, and sand or cat litter for traction. Stay informed. Keep a weather app handy and check for updates before heading out. Pay attention to weather warnings. A little preparation makes winter safer and more enjoyable. Be ready for anything this season brings. Stay safe and warm. Traveling in France this winter, plan ahead for changing conditions. Early winter means rain and wind. Check your tires and wipers and drive carefully. Trains are reliable, but strong winds can cause delays. Always check ahead. From mid-January, snow and ice become real concerns, especially in the mountains and east. French law requires winter tires or snow chains in certain regions. Practice using them before your trip. Slow down, increase following distance, and check road conditions before you travel. Major highways are cleared quickly, but rural roads can stay icy. For flights, snow and ice can cause delays. Monitor your airline and allow extra time. Flexibility is your friend when winter weather strikes. With smart planning, winter travel can be magical. That's your winter forecast for France. A season in two acts. Act 1, mild and wet, more like late autumn. Act 2, a sharp turn to cold and snow starting mid-January. Enjoy the early mild days, but use them to prepare for the real winter ahead. Preparation and staying informed are your best tools. From rainy coasts to snowy peaks, this winter will be memorable. Even in the coldest days, there's beauty, fresh snow, cozy cafes, and world-class skiing. And remember, spring is just around the corner once February ends. We'll keep you updated every step of the way. Stay warm, stay safe, and enjoy the season.